Should a woman submit to a man? This is a very controversial topic, but it's all for a good reason. Can being submissive in a relationship ever be a good thing? The answer is, it depends. If you only want a one-night stand, then don't waste time attempting to influence her behavior and force her to submit to you. But if you truly love her and want to be with her for a long time, here's what you need to know. You should only continue with her if she agrees to give herself up to you. It's one condition you should never compromise on. But why is that? The brutal truth is, men must always lead. A partnership in which the guy gives over his leadership to the woman will not last. For this reason, a woman has to submit to her man. There are no exceptions to the standard. Not only that, but any contented girlfriend or wife will tell you that submitting is vital to her happiness. This will undoubtedly anger some people, but the truth is never sweet. If this is true, why don't some women embrace this fundamental fact about relationships? It may surprise you, but not all women desire to be happy. It sounds ridiculous, but what else can account for their mad behavior and their war on males and masculinity? So, should a woman submit to her man? Most successful men will say yes. Ask the feminist, and she'll say no. Who do you agree with? Now, what does it mean for a girl to be submissive? A female is submissive to you when she freely chooses to follow your direction as her partner. But that is not all. Dig a little deeper, and you'll discover that the source of her submissiveness is from her respect for her man. Submission is all about her genuine respect for you and your leadership. Most men are unaware of this fact about women. Women can only love with respect. This suggests that a woman cannot love a man who she does not respect. Respect comes first. Respect leads to love. And guess what? It is the exact opposite of how men behave. I mean, it is very feasible for us to love our women while not respecting them, in the same way that we would respect a war hero. Our girlfriends or wives can do and say stupid things while we still love them. But if you act like a fool and lose her respect, it's only a matter of time until she dumps you. And that is not her fault at all, because a woman cannot love a man whom she does not respect. Now, what are the characteristics of a submissive girlfriend? She agrees to let her man decide on important matters. She admires her man's unique abilities and talents. She understands her man-life mission and supports him in pursuing his goals. She only has eyes for her man, never for someone else. If she disagrees with her boyfriend, she never shows it in front of other people. She defends her man's honor in his absence. She's willing to try anything that will make you happy. The bottom line is this: you can't fake respect. If your girlfriend is submissive to you, you'll know right off the bat. So, what are the rules for a submissive girlfriend? If you have to establish the rules for a submissive woman, then you don't have one. Remember that submissiveness in a relationship stems from the tremendous respect she has for you. You can't just make some foolish rules and expect her to become subservient. It does not operate that way. Earn her respect, and you won't have to create rules. It's also not about putting on a fake persona and trying to act dominant. It's being who you truly are as a man and improving your flaws, not putting more fake layers on yourself. No man should feel the need to act dominant. By nature, we are the dominant gender. We men are wired that way. Some men are convinced by feminists to forsake their natural dominance, and that's sad. What they must do is return to their authentic selves and stamp their masculine authority. How do you think a dominant man behaves? Well, it's the mirror of the submissive woman. Here are some examples of the characteristics of a dominant man. You decide on important matters, not her. You have unique abilities and talents that women admire you for. You have your own life mission, and your woman supports you in pursuing your goals. She knows you have options and that you can easily dump her for other women. Your woman knows you attract other girls, and she agrees to share you if she can't satisfy you completely. Beneath the respect she has for you, there is a tinge of fear. She is anxious she might do something wrong that you'll stop loving her. Remember, Your dominance is not an act. It's who you are as a man, part of your masculinity. Let me ask you a question. What is the psychology of female submission? We are wading into controversy here, but the truth is this: healthy relationships are never equal. One party must be dominant, and the other must be submissive. By definition, the masculine is dominant, while the feminine is submissive. The problem starts when we violate this rule of nature. When we flip the roles of the masculine and the feminine, we are going against nature. And guess what? When humans fight nature, nature wins. So it shouldn't surprise us that to be happy, we need to follow our natural instincts. The truth is that submission is a natural state of female psychology. Now, understand, this doesn't make women inferior to men, just different. Again, by the same token, men are not superior to women simply because we are dominant. This difference between male and female psychology is what makes relationships work and last long. Don't twist my words. I'm not a misogynist. But what do you think is the difference between submission and love? Submission is not love, but in the female psyche, they go hand in hand. A woman can't love a man without submitting to him. The reality is that humans need hierarchy. It's inside our psyche. Feminists can argue about this all they want, but we can't fight nature. No amount of debate will override human psychology. Submission is not love, but an act of love. Just remember this: the body follows the mind. If your woman is submissive to you in mind, she will be submissive to you in bed. It's that simple. So you won't need any special tricks to make your girlfriend submissive during sex. If you have exerted your dominance over her during the day, it will carry through into the bedroom. You won't need to do anything different or special. But at this point, I've got to warn you, if you're not dominant over your girlfriend now, you shouldn't do anything drastic. Don't trigger her alarm bells. Instead, you should be strategic and play the long game. Dominance is not a switch flip. And remember, don't be a pussy. Always stay conscious of your decisions and be decisive, especially when you're with your girl. By watching these videos, it's clear you're someone who's eager to improve, and that's worthy of admiration. You've already demonstrated the willpower and the desire for self-improvement. What you need now is a clear path. We're offering a valuable resource, a free secret ebook written by Tristan Tate. This ebook contains exclusive knowledge on how to attract women effectively, no matter the circumstances. It delves into the art of seduction, understanding female nature, and dating as a comprehensive whole. This is just the groundwork for you to become a player in the dating realm. You don't lack motivation. You just lack the knowledge and trust in the path that you're taking. You can either continue on an aimless journey that leads nowhere, or take action by clicking the link in the description below.